Good afternoon. How are you today? Today is, what date is it today? Today is it the 1st? Yeah, today is Friday the 1st of September. Me and the boys have not too long ago, actually no, it has been a little while, it's probably been an hour now, gotten home. I just went to get a few bits. I had a parcel to send, and they played a little bit. You probably would have seen a clip of that. Raheem. Yeah, so we're back home now. I've literally just put the boys down for their naps. Neither of them are sleeping, but I've got things to do. So yeah, they're in their rooms. Well, Raheem is in my room, Kareem is in his room with his tablet, and Raheem is fighting off the sleep. But I have left them both to get on with it because I've got some things to do, as I said. I've got a little boohoo haul for you. My parcel came yesterday and I haven't opened it yet. It's actually stuff, well, I was going to say it's stuff that I've already tried on, but it's not. I did a big boohoo shop and everything was too big. So a few of the bits, I've ordered them in smaller sizes. So I'm going to try them in a bit and show you guys. Some of the sizes are on the smaller side because they didn't have the actual smaller size that I wanted. For example, I may have wanted a size 20 and something, and I had to get an 18, or maybe I don't know if I went as low as a 16. But yeah, the stuff are oversized, so hopefully it will be okay. Before I do that, I'm going to eat something. I've also got some turkey thawing out. I'm going to put that on to cook. Here's the turkey. It's just thawing out. I'm gonna wash it and then put it on to cook and then fry it. So once I put the turkey on to cook, I'm going to have something to eat. I've just had a few, no, actually I was gonna say I've just had a few chicken nuggets today, but I haven't. I had cereal, had some granola, and then while we were out I had a latte and some chicken nuggets. So Alexa, what's the time?
It's 2:24 p.m.
It's 2:24 p.m. so it is time for me to have something to eat. Yesterday I cooked some fried rice, and Nigerian fried rice, and some red bream fish. Tastes really good. Here's the rice and here's the fish. I'm only having half a fish, like the other half my boys had yesterday, even though they didn't eat it, but I'm just having half. Yeah, and then afterwards I'm just gonna chill and try and relax. Hopefully the boys will be sleeping. I'm sure once I finish everything it'll be time for me to wake them up anyways, but we'll see how that goes. So anyways, let's get into it. Living room is clean. I'm very happy. You know when you come home and there's just like not much for you to do, that feeling of like you can just sit down and chill out. Even though I've got a few bits to do, that's the feeling I have right now. I did my living room yesterday. Kitchen is just a little bit of washing up from this morning and some shopping to put away, and that's it. It won't take me long at all. Oh, did I mention to you guys that Raheem is walking? I don't know, but he's walking. You would have saw in the clip earlier of him in the play area where I took them to today. Raheem, my baby boy, is walking. My youngest boy, I should say. Both of them are my baby boys. Is walking, and he's driving me insane. Like, insane. Before he started walking, he got into everything. Now he's just getting into everything and everything and everything. And looking at you like, I'm going to get into everything. So don't tell me no. The boy, he's a little menace. That's what he is. But yeah, he's walking. He said his first word is, well, I think he said he says mama anyways, but his first official word I would say is thank you, because it's not like him just saying mama, mama, mama. He's actually said thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good boy. I will show you a quick clip. But yeah, he is progressing really well, walking and talking. Well, he's not talking, but he said thank you. He's doing a lot of mumbling, or he'll be like na, 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 na. And I just be like, yeah, and he'd be like na, 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 na. And I'm like, yeah. So yeah, he's trying to talk. But yeah, anyways, let me get on with what I have to do so I can chill out. Alright, so here's the washed turkey. These are the seasoning I'm putting on. So I've got some Maggi, some thyme, curry, garlic. This is Nigerian pepper, like pepper, and some salt. Let me put that on. And some salt, and that is basically it. Boohoo haul. Boohoo haul. Okay, first of all, disclaimer, my turkey is boiling in the background, so I should probably tie up my hair. Is my hair band? I don't know. If you hear like a hissing sound in the background, it's my my meat cooking, my turkey. I think it's been on for like half an hour now. Oh, the boys are sleeping as well. Just opening the parcel. I think everything in here is jumpers. Probably not gonna bag is dusty. First thing I got is this jumper. It's oversized. It's in a beigey cream color. No, actually it's more beige. Zip, which is really nice. This was in a size 20. I think I ordered it in a 22 before, and remember I was saying that I've reordered things in a smaller size. So I think I ordered that in a 22 before. So we're going to give that a try. This one is the same thing. So I mentioned before size 16 as well. I think it was the wind. Hopefully. Is this the same thing? Half zip, yeah. So this is the same thing. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to try it on the, or maybe I should open it. No, I'm going to try on the size 20 and then see if I like that or not. They didn't have an 18 obviously, otherwise I would have ordered that one to try. Next thing is this black crew neck jumper. You could tell I'm getting ready for autumn winter, although next week is supposed to be really, really hot. In London, it's supposed to be like as high as 28. I don't think I have any summer clothes. I've been getting rid of like so many different things, and like been buying next season stuff because I don't want to waste my money. And yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do next week. Well, we'll see. So I got this black crew neck jumper. This is in a size 18. I think I ordered this also in a 22 or a 24, and it looked nice, but it was on the big side. So I got that one, and I thought I had ordered more, which is why I wanted to show you guys, but I didn't. There's only 4 items, but a double item in there. So last but not least is this grey crew neck jumper. I think it's a different style to the black one, if I'm not wrong, or it might be the same style, I'm not too sure. Anyways, I got this grey one. Oh no, it is a different style. It's a lot more oversized. I got this in a size 18 as well. This one has the balloon sleeves, which is nice. I think I am gonna quickly show you guys them tried on actually, and because I want to try them on and see what they look like. But in a nutshell, that was my Boohoo mini haul. I don't know if you would call that a mini haul because it was literally non-existent, but that was everything. I'm just going to try them on quickly and yeah, see what I need to return. All right, so this is the jumper. This is the size 20. I'm like burning out, it's so hot in here. I think I'm going to keep this one. I'm not going to try on the size 16 because I actually wanted this to be longer. The size 22 came up like a lot longer and I did prefer it, but it was too big. So I think I'm going to keep this one and return the size 16. Okay, so here's the black one, size 18. I am going to return this one. The neck, it's way too tight around my neck. It's already irritating me. I'm wondering if they've actually sent me the wrong one because I ordered, the last time I ordered 2 grey ones. One was touching my neck like this and one wasn't. And this black one is the version of the one that wasn't, I think. So anyways, this one is being returned. It's a good length. I wish it was just a little bit longer, but it is a good length. But the neck, like, it's giving me claustrophobic vibes. All right, here's the grey, and I love the sleeves. I'm kind of like, should I keep it, should I not keep it, because it's short. That's the only reason why I'm contemplating it. I think I'm going to try it on with jeans and see how I like it, because belly's hanging a little bit and yeah, I'm not too sure how it's going to look like in jeans. I wouldn't wear it with leggings because like my bum is all out as well and I'm not about that life. But I really do like this one. It's comfortable. The neck is so much better than the black one as well. Sleeves are beautiful, as I said. Here's the back. It's just a bit short, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep it, but we'll see. End of haul. Good morning, guys. I have just come out to Costa. Well, I actually had a few things to do today. So first of all, today is, I think it's the 3rd of September. Don't know if I'm going to get copyright. I've got a speaker right above me. But I basically had a parcel to send, my Boohoo parcel. You would have seen me try on a few things yesterday. So I've returned 3 of the jumpers. Oh, my bag is so far away. I've returned 3 of the jumpers. I returned basically all of them apart from the beige one. So after I sent off the parcel, I had to collect some parcels. I got some stuff from Vintage. I'll probably open those and check if they're okay now actually. So now I'm just in Costa, as I said. I'm going to do some editing and then I have 2 more parcels to collect from another shop. I don't know why they were sent to that shop, but anyways, it's a bit far from me. But I'm just going to have my breakfast. I bought myself a chicken bake and I've got my latte. I actually got a free piece of cake as well from Costa because it was my birthday on Monday, the 28th of August. I'm just going to give that to our partner. I don't want it. Yeah, and then I'm going to head back home and I seasoned some oxtail, so I'm going to do some cooking. And it's the day before the school week. Although Kareem starts school on Wednesday, I'm at work Monday and Tuesday, so I've got to like cut hair and wash bodies and all type of stuff. So today is a very busy day for me, but I really just wanted to come out and get some time for myself. The last week it's just been like me and the boys non-stop and I haven't had any time for myself. Even on my birthday I was at home with the boys being a mum which is fine, but I just want some time for myself. Yeah, so I'm just here, gonna do some editing, enjoy my time for a few hours and then go back home and get back to mothering. everyone. So I've not too long ago gotten home. I've literally just put my Sunday dinner on to cook. I'm making oxtail. What's the time? I don't know what the time is. I think it's just gone 2 o'clock. Ow, Kareem, get down please, Baba. Just gone 2 o'clock. For the rest of the day, it's basically just preparing for the week ahead. Kareem starts school on Wednesday. Yeah, he starts school on Wednesday, so I need to wash his school jumpers, although he's not going to be wearing his jumpers this week because it's going to be really hot. Right now it's really hot. It's 25 degrees, and throughout the week it's just going to get hotter. But I'm still going to wash them just in preparation, just so it's done and I don't have to think about it. He's going to be staying at my mum's tomorrow, so I need to pack a bag for him. I need to take the clothes off the rack and fold them, put them away. I want to cut his hair. I need to wash Raheem's hair and try and plait his hair. I think that is it that I have to do. I was going to do a little Shein haul for you, but I'm not going to because I don't have time. I have so much things to do right now. Maybe I'll do it another day for you. But I think I'm gonna close out the... Go on then, Baba. I'm gonna close out the vlog here. You might see some clips of what I do throughout the day, like cutting my son's hair, etc. I'm not too sure, but I am gonna close it out here and say thank you everyone for watching this video. Please keep watching. Please share this video. Tell your friends and family to watch. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And I will see you. I don't know why, but just mentioning Kareem going to school this week has made me a bit like I'm choking up a little bit. It's not time to cry. It's not time to cry. But yeah, thank you for watching this video again. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.